In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a parallax effect on Wix Studio. Adding a parallax effect can give your website a dynamic and modern look, and it's quite simple to do with Wix Studio's intuitive tools. Follow along as we dive into the step-by-step process. To start things off, let's focus on the element you want to give that eye-catching parallax effect. This could be an image, a strip, or any other element within your Wix Studio project. Simply click on your chosen element to select it. This marks the first step in bringing your idea to life on your website. Next, you'll want to open the inspector panel. You can find this by clicking on the inspector icon located at the top right corner of your editor. The inspector panel is a powerful tool within Wix Studio, allowing you to access various settings and controls for your selected element. It's where you'll be navigating to add the parallax effect in this journey. Now it's time to dive into the fun part, adding the scroll animation. Look for the Animations and Effects tab within the inspector panel. Once you're there, you'll notice a plus add button under the scroll section. Click that button and you'll see various effects, including the one we're focusing on today, parallax. Select parallax to apply the initial effect to your element. This step is where your element starts to come alive with movement as users scroll through your page. Once you've added the parallax effect, it's essential to tweak it to perfectly match your vision. You'll see an option to adjust animation. Here, you can customize various properties such as the movement axis and distance, allowing you to control how prominently or subtly your element moves. These adjustments enable you to design an effect that aligns with the overall vibe of your website. Don't rush through this. Take your time to experiment with different settings until you find what suits your design best. After you've adjusted the animation, the next step is to utilize the preview mode. Wix Studio's preview mode gives you a chance to see how the effect looks in action before making it live. This step is crucial as it allows you to make any necessary tweaks to ensure everything flows smoothly and looks exactly as you envisioned. And there you have it, a thorough walkthrough on adding a parallax effect to your Wix Studio project. Once you're satisfied with how the effect integrates with your site, you can finalize everything and get ready for your visitors to experience your enhanced, visually engaging web page. Thanks for watching and happy designing!